And tonight we can confirm their current COVID-19 death toll is much higher than the few the state is reporting. Local 23's Derek Garcia explains how holidays are proving to be nothing more than headaches and heartbreak.
Tonight, Starr County is confirming their death toll is much higher than what's on paper.
Officially 3 deaths when we know for a fact that more than 10 individuals has actually died in our county with COVID-related illness.
The problem? Paperwork is backed up with Texas Department of Health Services, who is responsible for verifying COVID-19 deaths.
That has resulted in an undercounting on deaths for every county.
Dr. Jose Vasquez is Starr County's leading health authority and runs Starr County's only hospitals. More deaths confirmed by the state or not is a guarantee.
More deaths are on the way.
Definitely. More deaths are going to be reported in the next few weeks to come.
Just 2 months ago, Starr County had a total positive caseload of just 5 people. In 24 hours, the caseload jumped from 742 to 823 and climbing.
That is a very different number than where you all were at 2 months ago.
Definitely.
With 4th of July weekend upon us, Independence Day celebrations will fire up new cases.
It happened on Memorial Weekend, it happened during the Easter weekend, it happened during spring break, and it will happen again in July the 4th.
Statistically, the death toll will grow with every new case. On a holiday dedicated to celebrating freedoms, hospitals are urging everyone to celebrate at home and wear a mask.
This is no fear mongering. This is no way to try to curtail freedom on anybody. This is a terrible reality we have in our hands. And before it gets a lot worse, we need to be acting soon.
Derek Garcia, Local 23 News.
In Starr County, we can confirm at this hour several staff have tested positive for COVID-19. There is not a nursing shortage, but their COVID unit is at full capacity.